Did you know there's a severe shortage of farming professionals to fill management positions and replace retiring farmers? Careers that not only help to feed the nation, but also support our local agricultural economy. That's why the Center for Land-Based Learning has created programs to inspire, educate, and cultivate future generations of farmers, agricultural leaders, and natural resource stewards.
Hi, this is Bruce Rominger, owner of Rominger Brothers Farms. Programs like the California Farm Academy Apprenticeship Program equip beginning farmers with training, work experience, and skills to secure a management position with established farms or successfully start their own farm business. I have seen the shortage of farm managers firsthand, and we need the next generation of farmers to start taking over. As I look towards retirement, I have had the opportunity to bring in an apprentice and train her to be a successful farmer. There are many rewards to being in such a critical business, and the California Farm Academy program is the perfect place to start a farming career.
To learn more about Center for Land-Based Learning and the California Farm Academy, go to eatfarmtofork.com. Eatfarmtofork.com underwriting provided by the Center for Land-Based Learning and the Wells Fargo Foundation.
Hi, this is Patrick Mulvaney from Mulvaney's B&L, and I'd like to invite you to a very special Farm to Fork event on Saturday, August 4th. Join me at the farm on Poudre Creek in Winters with the most popular chefs from around the region as we celebrate the Center for Land-Based Learning for their final Dinner on the Farm. Over a dozen chefs paired with local farmers, vintners, and brewers will be creating incredible menu items featuring farm-fresh, locally grown ingredients. Enjoy local wine, craft brews, and signature cocktails, and interact with your favorite chefs, farmers, and more. Tickets on sale now at landbasedlearning.org.
Underwriting provided by the Wells Fargo Foundation.
Did you know there's an easy way to support local farmers while getting the season's freshest fruits, veggies, and flowers? Hi, this is Farmer Sarah of the West Sacramento Urban Farm Program, and that's why we've created the So Local Veggie Box CSA. That helps you get the freshest, most flavorful produce possible from local farmers like me. CSA stands for Community Supported Agriculture, and when you subscribe to the So Local Veggie Box CSA, you'll receive a weekly or bi-weekly assortment of freshly harvested produce from local farmers within 25 miles of West Sacramento. Now that's community-supported agriculture. With convenient pickup locations in West and Midtown Sacramento, it's easy to eat local and fresh. Plus, if you get 5 or more people to sign up for one location, your home or office can be a drop site too.
To subscribe to the So Local Veggie Box CSA and to learn about other programs from the Center for Land-Based Learning, go to eatfarmtofork.com. Eatfarmtofork.com underwriting provided by the Center for Land-Based Learning and the Wells Fargo Foundation.